Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered who you've sent follow requests to on Instagram, there's an easy way to find out, even if those requests are still pending. Here's how you can check it step by step. First, open Instagram and go to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. In the search bar at the top, type download and select download your information. Next, choose download or transfer information and then select some of your information. From the list, tap on followers and following and hit next to confirm your choice. Instagram will then prepare your data file. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email notification with the download link. Open the email, download the file, and unzip it on your device. Inside, find the folder named Followers and Following. In that folder, open the file called Pending Follow Requests. There, you'll see a complete list of all the accounts you've sent follow requests to that haven't been accepted or denied yet. Keep in mind that if someone rejected your request, their name won't appear in the list. It only shows pending requests that are still active. Depending on the size of your account, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to around 30 minutes for Instagram to process and send your data. But if you only selected followers and following, it should be ready pretty quickly. And that's it. You've successfully found out who you've sent follow requests to on Instagram. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks.